Hey, what's up? Mike Sunday here, just bringing you a quick unboxing for Schwarz by Alter 1/7 scale. Honestly, this is probably the craziest figure I've ever unboxed. Learned from last time, Prinz Eugen. Had to be a lot more careful with this one. There's even more parts. It's even more fragile. Got this off amiami. I think after conversion, shipping, as you can imagine, was quite expensive. It's a big box. Thankfully, it wasn't as big as the actual box itself. I think shipping ended up costing $100, and this was around 400 Canadian, I want to say. But definitely worth it. One of the most intricate figures. I'm surprised nothing broke. Knock on wood. There are so many pieces that you had to put together for this figure. Super delicate. I remember hearing memes about this one because you have to actually use screws to put the base in place, but I definitely understand why. It's probably one of the most ambitious poses and sculpts I've ever seen from Alter or anyone for that matter. So in order to counterbalance it, you definitely need the screws there. Hopefully I'll be able to insert some B-roll, but just the details on this figure are insane. They're incredible. The weapon, the crossbow itself, actually has real string, which is crazy. There's so many things flying everywhere. You can just feel how dynamic the pose is. A little bit tricky to put together, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of pieces, a lot of things that you kind of have to finagle and you feel like they might break at any moment, but thankfully I didn't break anything this time. Definitely my most anticipated pre-order from 2023. Got delayed, obviously. But yeah, super excited to have this in the collection. Super dope. Schwarz, Arknights, Schwarz, I should probably say, Arknights, 1/7 scale by Alter. I think this is probably the figure of the year from last year, probably this year. One of the most ambitious sculpts I've ever seen from the company or from any company for that matter. So check it out.